How can a dibia who is living in the bush help you who is living in Victoria Island? If I name, granted, no ọgwụ ego, mana ọbụla ọgwụ ego. If I name bụ about infrastructure. You know a way there for that VI. Maybe you be employee for Shell. Maybe they never promote you in ages. Maybe your promotions they stack up because of your aura no dey. You and your aura no dey good. The same way they for bush here go fit help you out. If he help you, guide you on aligning with your people. Ki were fuife. Now mwadibia fit be individual way na azụ afia na abane eme ọfụma, but his realignment they so violent. I have a theory that they are, because I believe everybody has a call. Your spirits are calling you. Your spirits will not just ignore you, especially if other people progress, they depend on you. So everybody get a call, but how vicious, how violent your call is, how your realignment is depends on how much misalignment you are in. So now what did be one youth way na azụ afia na abane eme ọfụma isi gbalie ebule bunata n'ụlọ container and everything o ji azụ afia baba leave everything, obviously, right? In don't lose all those things, in don't lose all in infrastructure, in come back for village, come they do wetin himself no even fit explain. You know what I'm saying? Nah, check if anyone nwere ike cover. So ndị ichie no go build skyscraper from on top dust, because that skyscraper had the way. Because just the way you now way there for that VI, you did see yourself, you dey wear smelly clothes, dirty clothes, your mouth no dey fresh for dream. We be say that dibia fit guide you. Belief ije ocha sacha di ocha ezuba afia dey attractive to people. The same way now if that dibia now in aura dey good, in don't wash in clothes, in mouth dey fresh for in own dreams as well, and for Alpha and Osana. Now highest thing if on my media maka if on my making one way infrastructure buna iroma in where promotions again, right? Iwago no kwa if I delegate now the highest thing you may do in dibia but na infrastructure nke if on my area po na ginwa na otito dibia no melu mmadu ife elu ogi na ntị iwe bia ginwa nozi in a high position ewe bia no bie or guide kwa ginwa help kwa ginwa iwe fu ife. That is the highest thing that can happen for him, because they no go suddenly, no go wake up, see $1 million for a cupboard. Obline and the one name ife. Oh, go on, Maluziana. Nyabo ezigbo ife melody based on in guidance, based on that person where they down guiding you, where you cannot pay for. You cannot pay for the risk that they take. You can't. Make sure say Hililo Tito Dibia, or worse still, carry on go to Thanksgiving for church. Because so yes, Dibia, person where they for push fit help your life for your VI. This one no be person where wear dead shoes, they sell motivational book. I don't know where